What remains when the lights go out? When every sound just fades somehow? Your pictures stay, your clothes are gone, but the space you left still pulls me on.
I cleared the rooms, I kept your name, still feels the same, it's never changed. They say time heals, but I don't know. Some wounds don't ever let you go.
They tell me love should learn to rest, but your absence lives inside my chest.
What still remains is more than pain. It's love reshaped, but still the same. I carry you in another form, inside my heart, through every storm. The silence screams, the nights are long. I miss you,
God, I miss you so. What still remains? What still remains? I miss you too. I'm still here, even when you can't see me. Every breath you take, I'm with you.
I feel you in the quiet nights, in empty chairs and fading lights. You're everywhere I turn around, in every lost and broken sound. I talk to you and no one knows, like you're still here, like you never went. If love survives beyond goodbye, then maybe this is how we try. If you can hear me where you are,
I hope you know you're in my heart.
what still remains is more than pain. It's love reshaped, but still the same. I carry you in another form, inside my heart, through every storm. The silence screams, the nights are long. I miss you more than words can hold.
I still feel you in every breath I take.